Top 5 Best Electric Staples. Number 1. Swingline Stapler, Optima 25 sheets. Number 2. Swingline 48200 Portable Electric Stapler.
Swingline Staplers. When we think about staplers, the image of a classic desktop model usually comes to mind, but there are a number of different staplers to choose from, depending on your stapling requirements. There are the 4 types of staplers: desktop, heavy-duty, electric, and specialty staplers. Before you purchase your next stapler, there are a few things to consider. How many people will use the stapler? How often do you staple items? How many sheets will you need to staple at once? What types of documents will you regularly staple? Desktop staplers can fasten up to 25 sheets of 20-pound paper at a time. They're great for everyday use. These classic staplers include the iconic red desktop stapler that's durable, noticeable, efficient, and known for its outstanding performance. It opens flat, so you can tack items to bulletin boards. Grip staplers are known for their vertical orientation that makes them easy to grab and comfortable to use. Reduced effort staplers are engineered for smooth everyday operation, while requiring less force than traditional desktop models. Fashion staplers round out the collection and are available in trendy, attractive colors and sleek shapes. Desktop staplers are available in 3 sizes: full length, compact, and mini. Swingline heavy-duty staplers power through large stacks of paper from 40, 70, 160 to 210 sheets. Ergonomic handles apply the leverage you need for stapling these large documents with ease, while adjustable guides allow for precise placement of heavy-duty staples. Electric staplers are great for fast and effortless stapling of 2 through 70 sheets of 20-pound paper, depending on the model that you choose. These electric staplers are designed for high-capacity, heavy-use work areas and require staple cartridges that hold 5,000 staples, making them ideal for multi-user environments, while other models are designed for medium or personal use and use traditional staples. Next, we have our specialty staplers that are designed for offices with unique fastening needs. Plier staplers that are designed for heavier duty stapling of items like padded bags. Lastly, there's the long reach stapler that has an adjustable throat and ruler guide for precise staple placement on oversized documents. When purchasing a stapler, you will need staples, so make sure that you purchase the correct staples according to your model's specifications. Swingline's quality, solid construction, and jam-free technologies simply add to the dependability of your stapler. Select your new Swingline stapler today.
Number 3. Swingline Stapler, Optima 70, manual, 70 sheets capacity.
Swingline Optima 70 sheet reduced effort stapler. Here's a stapler that will add style and look great in your office. It features an ergonomic soft touch grip and requires 50% less effort to use than a regular stapler, whether you're stapling 2 sheets or 70 sheets of paper. It has an attractive, sleek design with a matte silver and durable metal construction to ensure a long, useful life, and is a breeze to load. Simply push the button on the back of the stapler and the magazine in the front ejects for simple and quick loading. It's easy stapling up to 70 sheets with just one staple size. The flat clinch anvil forms the staple flat to the back of the document, which keeps your stacks of stapled documents neat on your desk. This stapler uses Optima high-capacity staples and comes with a 500 count sample pack. When used with these staples, the stapler is jam-free and 100% performance guaranteed with a limited lifetime warranty. Add effortless, sleek products to your workday. Purchase the Swingline Optima 70-sheet reduced effort stapler today.
Number 4. Bostitch Impulse 25 Electric Stapler, 25 sheet capacity. Number 5. Rapid 5080E Professional Electric Stapler.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.